Magandang araw sa bawat isa sa atin. Welcome muli sa ating Voice of Grace, 5 minutong tinig ng biyaya. When do difficult times happen? Kailan nangyayari ang mga mahihirap na sandali sa ating buhay? Difficult times happen when there are impossibilities. Nagiging mahirap ang sandali kapag nandyan ang mga bagay na imposible. For example, it was physically impossible for Abraham and Sarah to have children, according to Hebrews chapter 11, verse 11. By faith, Abraham, even though he was past age, and Sarah herself was barren, was enabled to become a father because he considered him faithful who had made the promise. Now, kapag ang nakikita ng ating natural eyes ay wala ng pag-asa o wala ng nangyayari, kapag kaharap na natin ang mga imposible, ano ang dapat nating gawin? Two things Abraham did when he faced impossibilities. Two things we need to do when we face our impossibilities. Number one, affirm that God is faithful. Kapag nandyan na ang mga imposible sa tingin natin sa anumang aspeto ng ating buhay, ipahayag na ang Diyos ay tapat. Kagaya ni Abraham. Balikan natin ang verse, Hebrews 11:11. By faith, Abraham, even though he was past age and Sarah herself was barren. Si Abraham ay matanda na, baog naman si Sarah, imposible nang magkaanak. Was enabled to become a father. Why? Because he considered him faithful who had made the promise. Ipinahayag, diniklara ni Abraham na tapat ang Diyos na nangako sa kanya. Number two, affirm that God is powerful. Amen? Ang sabi muli sa Hebrews 11:11, by faith, Abraham, even though, kahit pa, he was past age and Sarah herself was barren, was enabled to become a father because he considered him faithful who had made the promise. Kahit pa sila ay imposible nang magkaanak dahil makapangyarihan ng Diyos at sa Kanya ay walang mahirap. Jeremiah 32:27, I am the Lord, the God of all mankind. Nothing is too difficult for me. Amen? Walang mahirap sa Diyos. Panghawakan natin to. Pangalawa, kailan nangyayari ang mga difficulties sa buhay? When there are delays. Kapag ang tingin natin ay wala pa. Always remember this. Abraham waited for 25 years para magkaanak, hintayin ang promised son na si Isaac. Moses waited for 80 years upang kausapin ang Paraon upang palayain ang bayan ng Diyos, ang Israel. Noah waited for 120 years upang magawa ang arko na pinagagawa ng Diyos sa kanya. Ito ang katotohanan. In God's point of view, there is no delay. Amen? Isaiah 60:22, when the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Ulitin ko po, kapag tamang panahon na ng Diyos at maaring ito na, angkinin mo na, ipahayag mo na ang Diyos ay makapangyarihan, walang mahirap sa Panginoon, anumang kalagayan ng iyong buhay, anumang aspetong hinihiling mo sa Panginoon, ang sabi niya, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Amen? Now, where is God when there are so much difficulties in life? Can we say, God is nowhere or God is now here? Amen? Kapag nakakaranas tayo ng kahirapan sa buhay, sinasabi ba nating nasaan ang Diyos? O sinasabi nating narito ang Diyos, kasama ko ang Diyos? Amen! Kasama natin ang Panginoon, kaya gusto kong sabihin sa iyo sa dulo, never give up, wait on the Lord. Purihin ang Panginoon.